Today, Mr. President, you bring me back to my roots. And it is a larger arena.
Look at that hair. Talk about roots. Look at those roots. It's a disaster. Terrible color. The fake black dye is practically screaming for mercy. I know hair dye. Nobody knows hair dye better than me. It looks like she used a Sharpie, a cheap leaking Sharpie. It lacks a certain flair. It needs a swirl, like a perfect soft-serve vanilla cone from the Golden Arches. God, I want a cone right now.
Where we need justice, where we need to send a message that justice will be honored in the District of Columbia.
And the suit? What is she wearing? She looks like Eddie Murphy from Raw if he gave up on life and shopped at a bankrupt fabric store. The skirt, very bright, very plaid. It looks like, wait a minute, it's exactly like the old quarter-pounder boxes from 1994. The nostalgia. It's a beautiful box. You open it up, the steam comes out, the melted cheese, pure perfection.
But no less an arena where we need justice.
She's talking about supply chains. I'm thinking about the Filet-O-Fish supply chain. 2 for $5, a beautiful deal. The greatest deal in the history of seafood.
America thanks you, and I thank you.
Great job, very nice.